Owengamele ezemfundo eEastern Cape uthi izikole sezikulungele ukuvulwa njengoba Umnyango wemfundo uqinisekisile ukuthi izikole eziningi ziyasithola izinsiza.
The department developed a plan for the delivery of the learner-teacher support material in the form of workbooks, textbooks, stationery before schools open for the current academic year.
Umnyango uthi nakuba kukhona abafundi abangakasitholi izikhala ezikoleni kodwa lukhona uhlelo oluzanyayo lokutholela abafundi izikhala.
As today 1020 learners spread across the 3 districts are yet to be placed, it is expected that the district learner admission centers committees shall dispense with this number and allocate them to schools that still can accommodate them with the aim of ensuring by the end of January, all admissions shall have established or effective teaching and learning to take place as schools open.
Umnyango uqinisekisile ukuthi ingqalasizinda kanye nezidingo nqangi ezifana namanzi kanye nogesi ezikoleni zikhona.
The department is also embarking on the process of relocating prefabricated classrooms from various completed schools to schools of need in terms of the additional learning space to address the overcrowding of schools for better teaching and learning.
Kunxuso umphakathi ukuba weseka abafundi ikakhulukazi laba abasilindele imiphumela yabo kaMatriculation.